Hello, this video is to show some appliances that are for something like a 1,000-watt power supply. They're less than the 1,000 watts. The first appliance is a George Foreman grill. Comes with a drip tray. I'm going to be charging this between uses. I already made a sandwich. It's so cold out in the studio, the butter froze to the dish. This will be a panini. I'm gonna sneak a look. Turkey and Swiss. Aside from fingerprints on here, well, I just wiped it off with a paper towel. As far as I'm concerned, there, it's ready to use again. I've already mixed the dry ingredients, which if I were going camping, I could have a bag like this or 2 or 3 bags like this already mixed up with flour, baking powder, salt, whatever. I have not used these before. It's going to be the first time for both of them. Chefman comes with this for measurement. I'm going to start with this one. We're going to spray it first. Turning this to 3. The little blue light is saying it's ready. Looks like it's ready to use again. This small waffle maker is only 350 watts. I used to go to a cabin in the woods in Tennessee a long time ago. It had electricity, and I would have loved to have had some of these things available to me at that time. And you could make a sandwich with those, or just eat them like they're waffles. As you can see, that is at 96%. I hope you like this video.